Welcome to my channel, Learn to Earn. We are here to help you with interview tips and job information on a daily basis. Today's topic, commonly asked Python interview question and answer. What are decorators in Python? Decorators are a powerful and flexible tool to modify the behavior of functions or classes without changing their source code. How do you create a decorator in Python? Define a function that takes another function as an argument, and within that function, define and return a nested function that calls the original function. What are generators in Python? Generators are functions that return an iterable set of items one at a time in a special way using yield statements. How do you create a generator in Python? Define a function with one or more yield statements which return a sequence of values iteratively. What is the difference between yield and return in Python generators? Yield suspends function's execution and sends a value back to the caller, while return returns a value and terminates the function. How do you use yield from in Python generators? Use yield from to delegate part of the responsibility to another generator or iterable. What are context managers in Python? Context managers allow you to allocate and release resources precisely when you want to. How do you create a context manager in Python? Sei eine class with Home enter Matthias and dazu exit 1000 methods, or use the context lib module. What is monkey patching in Python? Funky patching is dynamic modifications of a class or module at runtime. How do you use .init and .quotas methods in Python? Init is a constructor method called when a new instance of the class is created. Vanixdata call tool allows an instance of a class to be called as a function. And what are metaclasses in Python? Multiclasses are the classes of classes. They define how classes behave and are instantiated. How do you create a metaclass in Python? Define a class that inherits from type and override the new method. And how do you use Python's slots? Slots is used to define a fixed set of attributes for a class. What are Python's coroutines? Coroutines are generalization of subroutines that can pause and resume their execution. How do you create and run an async function in Python? Use the async def syntax to define an async function and a way to run an async function. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope it helps. We will always remember your support towards the channel's growth. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to join our community for more exciting content ahead. Until next time, stay tuned and stay awesome.